Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and this morning I'm looking at a new edition of a book we reviewed before. It's called Civil Costs, Law and Practice, now in a second edition, and it's been written by the excellent Dr. Mark Friston. It's published by Jordan's, and it's a book that I think we cannot really do without in this day and age. Now, what Mark has done is he's updated considerably the first edition because of very substantial changes that are taking place within the costs regimes. We've given it a title, Disputes Over Costs. This book is the Bible for all civil litigators and cost geeks in general, now in a new updated edition. Please don't take the view that I don't like Cook on Costs or anything else, because Michael Cook's excellent book is also of great value. But this is a slightly different approach. I'll show you the book in a minute. What we say, though, about Friston's book is this. Civil litigators, costs draftsmen and the judiciary will certainly bless this book, described by many as the Bible of the legal cost world, and now, as I say, in the second edition. From cost practitioners to solicitors with management responsibilities, lawyers, as the author Friston reminds us, depend for their financial success on having a firm grasp of the law of costs, and indeed a firm handle on all issues and ramifications relating to costs is provided for in this authoritative and indispensable book, which meets the needs for a practitioner's text focused solely on the law rather than on policy, and which is detailed and fully referenced. And that's actually what we need in practice when we're in front of the judge. We don't want all the highfalutin theory. We actually want to know where to go to and what we need when we're trying to argue our corner. So barristers as well as solicitors will certainly appreciate that, in the author's words, most of the relevant law is included in such a way as to avoid the need to consult reports or other texts. This, in our view, is a major advantage, because under pressure one has little spare time to ferret out all the relevant authorities. Now, it's over 1,500 pages long. It's very heavy. There's the side and there's the back. You can see what's in it, basically, even from here. There's a nice little table, which I like, at the back, which you can probably just see on the back cover. Then you've got an index, and you can see it really is quite a heavy book to hold. But what you've got is you've got paragraph numbering at the sides, and you've got a lot of footnotes at the bottom. So you've got a really substantial amount of information. You've got some useful bandings there, which you can probably see on the front cover, which covers really quite a lot of conversion tables. Then if you go from that, do read the prefaces, both to the second edition, which is there, and also the original preface to the first edition, which I reviewed a couple of years ago, there. And you will see immediately a huge number of cases, and you will see immediately that, in fact, the history of costs is well covered right at the start, for those of you who have an insatiable desire to know all about it. Can I just thank Mark Friston and Jordan's for producing this in pretty quick time as a new edition. It's absolutely indispensable for what we need, especially in an economic downturn time. So thank you to all concerned. Bye-bye.